Alright, now I'm home. I'm gonna open this box and we're gonna...
Dad, how are you?
What are you doing here?
To join you on your video.
Oh, okay. Whatever.
Mess it up.
Ryan, what you doing?
I just followed Hannah for no reason, and then I found out that you're doing a video right now, so I came to join you too.
It's 10 o'clock. You guys supposed to be on the bed right now.
Nah, I decided to follow Hannah.
Alright, whatever. Just do it quick and then go to sleep, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Alright.
Sure. Nah.
Back up. It's not. We're gonna open it right now. Okay. Put it on the side. Open it.
Yeah, you still have problems. Technical problems.
Okay, here we go. Okay, what is this?
Here's some paper. Probably your order or something.
Yeah, the receipt from B&H.
I'm smart.
Alright. Plastic.
This is mine.
And
I want to pop it, but I can't. Yeah, you keep it.
This is the 2 SD card that I ordered from Amazon. I mean B&H. Okay. Put it on. And this is the mount adapter, the EF to EOS R. Okay. Put it on the side. And here is the EOS R.
I'm taking the box.
Okay, take it away. Here we go. Brian, put it down.
Okay.
Here we go.
Don't drop that.
Alright, I'm not gonna drop it.
What's it smell like?
I smell nothing. Not yet.
Well, it's like cardboard. It probably smells like a shoebox.
Alright.
Probably, I'm not sure.
So this is the warranty.
Oh. I don't know anything about
And manual in English, Espanol and French.
Francais?
Actually, okay, whatever.
I don't know.
I don't think anyone gonna read that book.
Yeah, let's start.
This is the cable. I think this is the USB Type-C cable. Put it on the side.
Still don't understand what anything means.
Okay, the charger. Look like the same one that I had. Yeah.
Oh, now you unbox something.
Yeah, exactly the same one with the LCE6. The same one with the 5D Mark IV. And the battery itself, so that means like the battery is supposed to be the same with the battery on the 5D Mark IV. I have a couple of the battery left over from the 5D Mark IV before. Plastic. I never seen they have the plastic in the box of Canon camera before.
Okay. Now we get to the juicy
This is the strap. Well, you know what? I bought so many camera and actually I never ever use the strap ever. I don't know. Any of you still use this thing? I don't.
Can I have that?
Oh, sure, you can.
Yes!
Take it. And here we go, my new boys in
Here.
here. And I'm gonna open this.
Can I rip it
Quick.
too? Can I rip it too? No.
Oh no, don't rip it. You just need this. Why you have to rip it? Okay, now you can have the box.
Yes!
There you go. New boy. Take a look at this. Alright.
All I needed was a box.
Alright, Brian, you're so annoying.
No, he's weird.
Alright. I'm gonna talk about this very quick, but before that I have to take them back to the bedroom because now it's 10 o'clock and they have school tomorrow.
No.
Alright, be right back.
Nope.
Alright guys, I'm back. So before we talk about this guy, so I'm gonna open this first, okay? What is it? Okay, warranty and some kind of manual thing. Here we go. Wow. Oh, really cute. More plastic. Wow, why they protect this $99 thing so much protection, so much more protection than this $2,300 camera. This guy had only one plastic, and this guy have like 3 plastic and plus 1 bag. Put it on the side. So this is the adapter that you can use your EF lenses on this guy. I have about like 10 or 12 different lenses. Well, so I don't have to buy the new lens if it's not necessary. Let me try to put it on. This is my 51.2 lens, and let's put this on this guy. Wow, how about that? Okay, so this is not a review videos because you can find thousands of the review videos about this camera on YouTube. But today I'm gonna tell you some reasons that why did I buy this camera. Okay, the first thing is I'm not gonna compare this camera with any other mirrorless camera because I never try other camera. I never try any mirrorless camera from other brand like Sony or Fuji or Panasonic. Anyway, the first thing I have to tell you that there is no best camera on the market. The same thing with a phone, that there is no company gonna put everything, every feature and every technology in one camera or one phone. Just because if they do that, they cannot sell the other camera, they cannot sell the other phones, or any phone in the future. If they build it, they cannot sell it anyway, right? That makes sense. Okay, so, and I believe that any product has some positive and negative as well. I've been shooting Canon as soon as I got my very first camera back to the day. It doesn't mean like Canon is gonna be better than the others. It's just about like I used to it. I know how to control. I know how to function the camera from Canon because they made mostly every single one is kind of like on the same way of using, and on even the menu the same. A couple weeks ago, I bought the Canon M50. It's one of the most popular camera for vlogging. It really surprised me how easy to use the mirrorless camera, and as far as I know, the M50 have the same Digic 8 processor with the EOS R, and most of the function on the menu and everything is is about the same. So it makes me think like, wow, this is so easy to use the mirrorless camera for vlogging, especially the flip screen. So that made me think, okay, I want the EOS R. That's why I switched from the 5D Mark IV to EOS R. Even though before today I never touched any EOS R ever. Okay, let's do a quick talk about this camera, how I feel when I hold it for the very first time. So the first thing is the grip. Everyone always talk about the grip. This camera is, I think it's bigger than the Sony 7.3 something. Okay, and a lot of people complain about the grip is too small. You know what? They try to make a smaller camera, and you asking for like big grip for your big hand. Well, just put a battery grip on and you got it. Okay, but like me, I don't need it. My hand on here, and when I operate like that, so even my pinky is still on the grip. Good. I have no problem with this. All right, and let me open this. Whoa, look at that. Okay, I like the idea. I think this is very first one in the market have the thing inside here to protect the sensor whenever you turn off the camera and take off the lens. So it's gonna close and try to keep all of the dust and everything, keep it away from the sensor. And this is the big different thing here. The mouse. This is they call the R mouse. Yeah, it's huge. It looks much bigger. Look at this is the mouse on the EF, and next to it is the mouse on the EOS R. It's much bigger. Wow, it looks huge to me. Okay, and I like it. So here one of the most important reasons that why I bought this guy, that the flip screen, right? I like it because I can do vlog this way, and it's very easy to see myself. And when I put the camera, right now that I'm shooting this video with the M50, and I can see myself clearly on the flip screen right there, and I know exactly where I move, which is very convenient. I don't want to connect to another the external LCD on the side, look like very big thing. And you know what, I don't know why that they took off the joystick right here, which is I use a lot when I use the 5D Mark IV, and they put the whatever it is called up here to you can assign any kind of function on this. But well, after a few days using it, I'm gonna talk about that later. And now I never use it, so I cannot talk about that. Now let's put the lens on and see how it look like. All right, this is the EF 50 1.2 L lens that I have. I usually shoot with the 85 L lens. That my most favorite lens ever. But for now that I just put the 50 on and see, you see the combo. Yeah, it looked great to me. Well, and when you put the lens on, especially like the L lens thing, is the L lens is very heavy. So when you put it on and you hold it, it's much more stable. And I think I feel the same feeling when I hold the 5D Mark IV now. Tomorrow I'm gonna use this camera for the very first time in New York City, and after maybe a week or so, I'm gonna do another review video and tell you guys how I feel when I use this camera. Because right now this is my very first time holding it. I cannot do any comparison or talk anything deeply about this guy. Thank you for watching the video. I'm starting doing the type of video like that, so I know that it's really hard for me to talk smoothly anything, especially my English is not my native language. But I'll try my best, and hopefully you guys understand what I'm talking about. But anyway, doesn't matter you like it or not, just like give me a thumbs up in the video, because that make me feel better and want to do more video for you guys. and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any question about this new camera, or you have any idea want me to test this camera, just let me know in the comment below, and I'm gonna try my best. Okay, I'll see you in the next videos. Goodbye.